Holy moly, it's hot. Hey guys, what's up? Buddy here. Alright, so I'm back with you guys to make some more content here. And what I like about this opportunity, I just made a video content about this not even a day ago, and I'm able to make more content about it. And it's not an update, it's not a commission update, but it's an update because the admin, the founder, Martin, he's always updating and changing this opportunity to make it better, to help us, to benefit everybody. So I just did a video 20 hours ago regarding that I got a $210 commission that came in from Unlimited Cash Deliveries, aka Best Easy Work, which is the main program of this opportunity. I posted on Facebook last night at the end of the day, and I also got a lot of comments regarding this opportunity because I posted that I got 205 with the fees, but $210 commission, and I said boom, started the day with $210 commissions, and all I'm doing is showing people how to earn money from home, mailing free postcards. To join for free. Free members make money too. For info, comment down below. And I had 19 people comment. It looks like I have more people to answer to on here. Send them the info to get started with this. I'd love more information. I'd love info. So I sent them info via messenger with this opportunity with Best Easy Work / aka Unlimited Cash Deliveries. And this morning I got a text message from the admin himself. His name is Martin, letting me know that he had added some new stuff on here. Free members now earn $25 to $300. And that got me curious. I was like, well, how are they able to earn $300? Well, I kind of knew, because you can earn up to $7,000 per person with this postcard opportunity, and Best Easy Work, you can earn up to $8,000. They got new 6x11 postcards also. That's another update. So those are bigger postcards. Someone yesterday mentioned receiving the larger postcards will trigger the receiver to think they must be making money to be sending these cards because they're bigger. Free members earn more money with Best Easy Work. So let's go over to the capture page here.
So if you have 5, 10, 15, 20,
go
100
to Unlimited
pages,
Cash
you're going to know
Deliveries.
exactly where each page the lead
here
came in off of.
Okay, so Unlimited Cash Deliveries. Let's go right here. Show you guys the new update. Unlimited Cash Deliveries. This is the sales page. That's not the sales page. That's my sales page that I made. Using the conversion pros. Okay, this is the sales page. The one thing I like about the sales page is you can log into your back office. Yes, you guys are going to get a back office for Best Easy Work, Unlimited Cash Deliveries. You can log into the back office directly at the top of the page. It's also going to promote any other programs that you're involved with within Best Easy Work program. There's the Best Easy Work program itself at the top here. That's what BEW stands for. There is the Postcard program, free postcards and postage. That's Unlimited Cash Deliveries. And then they got the $97, they got the $97 residuals. That's if you guys want to earn residual income. You can earn $97 per person residual income every single month. That's the $97 residual program. And then they have the cash tips. If you want a program that's going to pay you instantly, this program pays via Cash App and direct deposit money order. You can make anywhere from $5 per person all the way up to $100 per person. So this is the Best Easy Work tips, Best Easy tips. program. So it promotes all of the opportunities within the sales page. So back to unlimited cash deliveries. All right, so there's a brand new update. Free members can make up to $300 per person with this program. That's a free member. All right, so I've had some members that came in as free members, and then they went out and promoted this, and they had got some high ticket sales coming in. One person, he had a member come in and joined him at Best Easy Work program and the UCD program. $1,000 for the Best Easy Work, and then $1,500 for unlimited cash deliveries. So if he would have been at that level on UCD, he would have made $1,000. Let's go down to the okay, so if he would have came in at this level, he would have earned $1,050 commissions coming in. And if he was an upgraded member in Best Easy Work, he would have made $750. So that would have been $1,800 altogether he would have made in commissions. But he was a free member, and free member is okay. It's okay if you want to come in and you want to position yourself to earn as a free member. You can earn up to $300 per person now. So if you're a free member and you go out and promote this opportunity, postcard opportunity, and somebody comes in and joins you at the $10,000 level 12, you're going to earn $300 as a free member. You know, that's pretty good. You know, that doesn't seem like a lot out of $10,000, but remember, you're a free member. You can earn up to $300 per person. And then somebody comes in and joins you at $3,500, you're going to get $100. $5,000, you're going to get $200. It has the graph right here on this is the compensation plan graph on unlimited cash deliveries. So that's the new update, guys. And you can also get free postcards when you join at level 2. You can join for free at the very least. You're not going to get free postcards. You're just going to get a free link. That's this page right here. You're going to get a replicated website, and you're going to get a back office. So you're going to be able to go out there and promote the link as a free member. And the next level to join at would be $50 one time. That positions you to earn 50% commissions. You're still going to earn $25, but you are going to get 200 postcards with names and a free link at $50. Come in at level 2, stage 2, level 1 through 12. You're going to get free postcards. You're going to get postcards when you join. You're going to get 200 postcards, but you're also going to get postcards when somebody joins you at stage 2, level 1 through 12. So you're going to be able to get free postcards with this opportunity. So 200 postcards, name, free link. Stage 2 postcards, names, free link. You get 200 postcards. So our free members earn $25 up to $300 per paid member. Free members do not receive postcards or addresses. Members roll up to paid sponsor. Payments depend on your level and new members' level. As a member, join stage 2 level sponsors get 200 more free postcards. Postcards take about a week to be delivered to you. You may bypass stage 1, save $50, and start at any level. Okay, so that's what differs from this program to other similar programs is you can start off at any stage with this program. You can come in at stage 2. You don't have to start at the basic level. You can come in at stage 2, level 12 if you want. One of the powerful things that I like about this program is it's been converting. It continues to convert. I got a text message from the admin June 19th. On Juneteenth, he got $10,600 for this program. So this is, you know, people are coming in at those levels, guys. This is a converting offer, and this is just wanted to do a quick video. I just did one, 20 hours ago, letting you guys know that the admin, he's continuously updating this program. He's continually making it better. I've been a part of opportunities where the back office and the sales page remain the same over a period of 4, 5, 6 years. Nothing changed. The training hasn't changed in the back end. The sales letter hasn't changed at all. This is continuously updating and getting better. And also, one of the big benefits of this program is the founder, he has himself available 6 days a week, 9 to 9 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Saturday. So if you have questions, that's a huge benefit for everyone to get, free signups all the way up to high ticket signups. They have a hotline number on here also. They have income proof. There's income proof videos at the bottom, I think, right here. Testimonials. They got the history of the program. They got the founder. You have all these options of postcards that you can choose from to get started. You can join via Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. It's worldwide. They got a hotline right here. Call this number, or you can see what the number says by pressing play. It explains everything right there. It has a little recording. That's the number. You can send out the number. That number is going to be on your postcards also. So this is unlimited cash deliveries. Just a quick update for you guys. Join for free and come in at whatever level you feel comfortable at. Upgrade to stage 2, you get free postcards, and update is free members earn up to $300 with this program, unlimited cash deliveries. So just another reason that I continue to count this as my primary income opportunity. Best easy work, unlimited cash deliveries. Martin, you keep making this program better each and every day, and I'm proud to promote this program. So you guys know what to do. Click the link in the description, or you can text info to 888-789-2112. Text info to 888-789-2112. You'll automatically get a link to this program, and you can click that link so we don't lose touch. Otherwise, click the link in the description, fill that form in. It's going to bring you directly to the sales page. All right, my friends, update for the June 26th, 2023. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.